Good afternoon from Wolf Township, where today, Friday about 12:45, a home heating tanker truck lost control on Buck Hill Road. Coming up this steep incline, State Police said the driver may have been distracted. And the fuel tanker truck came down this embankment, about 25 feet, 25-foot embankment. And we're going to take you around the fuel tanker truck here. 2 occupants, 2 men. Sun Gazette's told that both were able to climb out on their own. The passenger suffered some injuries and was taken to the Muncie Valley Hospital. This crash occurred today, 12:45, Friday. And we're about 3.5 miles from Clarkstown. DEP is here. Cochran Garage is here. The towing, Cochran Towing, just arrived on the scene. They'll be here a good part of the afternoon, working on uprighting this vehicle. Again, 1 minor injury here. You can see the damage to the yard here caused by the truck coming down off the embankment. It's about a 2,800 gallon tank, but only about 1,000 gallons were in the tank at the time. We don't have information from DEP as to how much fuel leaked. The fuel tank belongs to Fry's Gas and Oil of Hughesville. They have a second truck here, and they're going to be trying to offload what remains of the fuel in this tanker. Again, 1 injury here on Buck Hill Road in Wolf Township, about 3 miles from Clarkstown, following a crash that occurred today, Friday, at 12:45 p.m. in Wolf Township, sending 1 man, a passenger, to the Muncie Valley Hospital for injuries. This is Phil Holmes reporting for the Williamsport Sun Gazette.